So the ducks came over to check out this little enclosure that's right in front of them, which is where we're housing the little baby duck. As a reminder, they technically, those are our biological parents, but the parent who raised the baby and who sat on the egg is right there, this lovely little hen. However, they heard little quacking noises, so they went over to check it out. And they've freaked out the baby, so it's hiding inside the little shed because it thinks it's a chicken. They'll be reunited once the baby's feathered and is fine without a parental figure. But these guys aren't broody and they won't take it in until it's larger. So the baby's actually out now, kind of walking around. It's not really sure what it thinks. But there's 3 ducks outside here. This duck with the green sheen on the head is the dad, that's our drake. The other 2 are both female. Who knows whose egg this baby actually came from. But they're very, very curious. Which is not at all intimidating to a little tiny duckling to have 3 giant ducks all up in your business.